Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Porsche Motorhome suggests an interesting nexus between the desire for transportable luxury living and high-performance car engineering. Although Porsche's main focus is on sports cars and high-performance SUVs, the idea of applying its engineering and design principles to a motorhome setting is an intriguing thought experiment. Such a car would surely represent a singular combination of dynamic power and upscale comfort, catering to a discriminating customer base looking for a more luxurious travel experience. A 2026 Porsche Motorhome's appearance would probably follow the brand's accepted aesthetic standards. In order to maximize airflow and efficiency, one could imagine streamlined, aerodynamic lines, possibly taking inspiration from the Taycan's electric car architecture. To guarantee instant brand recognition, iconic Porsche design characteristics like the sloping roofline, eye-catching lighting, and functional air intakes might be incorporated. A characteristic of Porsche engineering, structural stiffness and overall agility may be enhanced by the use of lightweight materials, possibly including carbon fiber components. An elegant and driver-focused interior would be the top priority for the 2026 Porsche Motorhome. The cockpit would probably have a digital interface similar to those seen in Porsche's current models, offering thorough vehicle data and simple control over every function. Fine leathers, Alcantara, and finely carved trim pieces are examples of premium materials that would create an aura of subtle elegance. Maximizing practical space without sacrificing visual elegance would be the main goal of the living quarters design. The inside could be characterized by creative storage options, smoothly integrated appliances, and flexible layouts that combine high design and functionality. Performance-wise, a 2026 Porsche Motorhome should provide a driving experience that goes above and beyond what is expected of a regular motorhome. Porsche's proficiency in chassis tuning, suspension technology, and powertrain development may result in a remarkably dynamic and captivating driving experience, even though the vehicle's size and weight may limit its overall sports car agility. The incorporation of cutting-edge driver aid systems, refined by Porsche's automotive innovations, would improve handling and safety on lengthy trips. A 2026 Porsche Motorhome's drivetrain might take advantage of the company's expanding knowledge of electric mobility to provide a quiet and environmentally friendly form of transportation. Alternatively, strong power and torque could be produced by a high-performance internal combustion engine, possibly a version of the one seen in their larger SUV models. The engineers will surely concentrate on providing a smooth and responsive driving experience, differentiating it from traditional RVs, regardless of the exact powertrain. In the end, a 2026 Porsche Motorhome offers an intriguing illustration of how the engineering and design concepts of high-performance automobiles may be translated to the recreational vehicle market. It would be a car made for people who value the excitement of a well-built machine, as well as the conveniences of opulent mobile living, making it a distinctive and desirable product in the motorhome industry.